Well, if you're wondering about those high mountain passes and why we can't get up there to travel for this Memorial Day weekend, well, just take a look at this video. A picture is worth 1,000 words. We sent Copter 4 to Mount Evans this morning. Look at a couple of things here. Not only how much snow is still on the ground, but look at how deep it is, and in particular, the drifts. You can see that snow is blowing there around the heavy equipment. We had winds 30 to 50 miles per hour on Mount Evans this morning, and they'll see some occasional issues with wind throughout the day blowing that snow around. We are talking incredible amounts of snow still in Colorado's high country. This is statewide snowpack. Every major river basin above normal. Southwestern Colorado, 300 to 400% of where we would normally be by this date. The Memorial Day weekend forecast, it's a little cool and unsettled. I wouldn't call it a washout, but we're talking 40s and 50s in the high country with the ongoing chance for a daily rain or snow shower. Now, we're taking you all the way to Tuesday of next week, and the reason why, we expect another storm to roll our way, and look at this, a pretty good chance for widespread mountain snow. So it may be a while yet before they get those high mountain passes open.